Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to do this particular effect in Photoshop using a Wacom tablet. Of course you need a Wacom tablet. Why? Because obviously you can do all these smooth linings with a mouse. So basically what we are doing is just tracing it out. Okay, so there are a few tutorials or whatsoever in YouTube. You can watch them also, but what I felt is they are not natural. I mean, they are too accurate to believe that that is a sketch. So with this method you can get some cool effects, I mean sketch effects like this. So now I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so here we have two layers, the one with the image and the layer which we are going to draw. So the first tip of this is don't try to be accurate. I mean, don't draw like this and this. Just be rough. Alright, be rough. Just give all those lines as if you're doing some rough work and all. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with from here. Oh sh Alright, I'm going to change my brush. Nice. Oh man. Cause of the screen recorder, it's just a little glitchy or itchy something. Well, I'll try my best. I think it's because of the screen recorder. I'm using ice cream screen recorder right now. Uh, it's, I mean, laggy. So here, you got to be really careful around these edges. Why? Because you can mess up pretty nicely here. Alright, so here just be, rough like you're doing some chicken drawings and all. But don't forget to give the eyes outlines, alright? Basically, in the tutorials, they will be like going to filter and all those stuff. As I said, I don't find them natural. I mean, you see, not cool at all. They are too realistic to believe that they are a sketch. Just be rough, so damn rough. So just be rough. I really wish this screen record is not so laggy like this. I mean, for game recordings and all that, this is really good, but I don't know. I know it's too laggy. But still, I think it's going to give us a good result. Alright. So let's see how it looks. This layer. Okay, and drag it on the top of it. See? That's what I'm talking about. See, it's not at all accurate, but it's cool, right? I mean, somewhat cool. Oh damn, yes. So if you have a really good screen recorder, I mean, without these lagging issues and all, you can get a better, far better good results. So now you can add a chain or whatsoever if you like. So, I mean, in my point of view, this is far better than the charcoal effects or whatever they are. Just be rough. I know this looks like a kid's drawing, but it's natural. When compared to those effects, this is natural. See? Wait. So I'm not saying this is the perfect sketch or a perfect edit, but I think this is kind of cool. Usually, I used to use Camista Studio Recorder, but somehow that is not accepting the Wacom tablet. So I had to use Ice Cream Recorder. just be a little rough, but don't go on doing shapes like these. No, that doesn't look good. All right, just rough, only rough. See. So, all right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and you can try it if you want. And next time I'll come up with something better tutorial than this. So bye bye.